and it was probably a lot warmer in Florida. And here it was cold. Is that weather going to stick around, Colton?
No, I don't think so. In fact, I don't think we'll get Florida warm, but I do think we'll get warmer as we go into the weekend. So let's take a live look outside here in St. Joseph. Notice what's kind of happening. You might be able to tell there on your screen. The clouds are beginning to break up, and I do think we'll see clear skies as we go into tomorrow. But boy, it is cold out there. 17 degrees now in St. Joseph, but it's feeling more like 9 degrees when you account for that wind coming from the north at 6 miles per hour, and the humidity is sitting at 81% right now. And temperatures region-wide outside of St. Joseph, cold everywhere. It's 21 degrees in Maysville, 21 also in Cameron, 17 degrees in Maryville, 17 down in Kansas City, and 17 degrees also in Atchison, Kansas. So definitely some cold air out there. And like I said, when you account for the wind, it's not very strong, but it won't take a lot to make us feel even colder. The wind chill is down to 8 degrees in Mountain City, so you'll definitely need the hats and the gloves, everything to keep you warm if you are stepping outside later on tonight, because it's definitely going to be cold. But the good news is over the next couple of days, we should see a warming trend. Our average high for this time of year is 36 degrees. I think tomorrow will be close to that. I think slightly under it, probably right around 35 degrees for the daytime high. And then as we go into Thursday and Friday, we'll see temperatures getting back up into the 40s. And then look what happens Saturday and Sunday. We're in the lower 50s, which is pretty nice this time of year, about 14 degrees above average. And across the region on your KQ2 high resolution max radar, there's a little bit of snow picking up on radar towards parts of Nebraska. That's not going to move in here. The light snow that we saw earlier today is going to be ending, and we should just be dealing with cloud cover. But notice what's beginning to happen on the last few frames there. We are seeing the clouds beginning to break up, and I do think by tomorrow morning we should see mostly clear skies, which means that we will see a mostly sunny day as we go through tomorrow. So here's your KQ2 hour-by-hour forecast. This is this evening, 8 o'clock. Temperatures will be in the teens, a little bit more clouds off towards the east, and a little bit warmer temperatures in the lower 20s. But then as we go overnight tonight, we'll see the clouds kind of break up a little bit. Now we're in the teens, 16 degrees in St. Joseph, 20 at Cameron, 22 in Trenton at 1 o'clock tonight. And then as we go into tomorrow morning, yes, it's going to be cold to start the day. Temperatures will be in the teens overnight tonight, but then by 11 o'clock, now we don't see many clouds out there, so we should see a mostly sunny day, and temperatures now will be in the low to mid 20s for tomorrow. It looks like a pretty nice day overall, and highs will eventually be getting up into the lower 30s for tomorrow, so a little bit warmer. It's a progress. We're going to be warming up each and every day, and then as we go overnight on Wednesday into Thursday morning, we see temperatures now in the 20s with an westerly wind. And that westerly wind will allow for some warmer air to be moving into the area. And now here's Thursday at 5 o'clock. Notice that temperatures are just slightly warmer. So each and every day will kind of be warming up a little bit, a few degrees at a time. And now we're in the mid 30s. As we go into Thursday evening, I think highs likely on Thursday will be in the lower 40s. And then we'll see the 50s going back up as we go later on into the weekend. Tonight, 12 degrees for low temperatures, winds from the north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, a sunny day with a high temperature at 35 degrees. And then as we look at the next 5 days, some really nice weather through the weekend. Temperatures will be getting warmer in the upper 40s and lower 50s. And then as we start next week, back to work for many. Partly cloudy skies on Monday with the slight chance of maybe seeing some rain with highs in lower 50s, and then upper 40s on Tuesday with mostly sunny skies. So that's a really nice 7-day forecast for the first full week of 2019.
Yeah, and we don't have to worry about the weather for the next Chiefs game because they have a bye, but that doesn't mean that there was no news of the Chiefs.
Yeah, you know, during